Have you ever wondered how your car makes turning the wheels so effortless? Today we're diving deep into the mechanics of power steering. Power steering is a crucial system that reduces the effort required to steer a vehicle, especially at low speeds or when maneuvering. Simply put, power steering is an assistance system. It amplifies the driver's effort, making it easier to turn the wheels, a necessity for modern, heavier vehicles. There are two main types of power steering systems: the traditional hydraulic power steering, or HPS, and the more modern electric power steering, or EPS. Hydraulic power steering uses pressurized fluid to assist in turning. It's a tried-and-true system found in many older vehicles. HPS relies on a few key components: the pump, the fluid reservoir, a control valve, and a power cylinder or piston. The pump, typically driven by a belt connected to the engine, continuously circulates hydraulic fluid and generates the necessary pressure for assistance. The control valve detects when the steering wheel is turned and in which direction, directing the pressurized fluid to the appropriate side of the power cylinder. The piston and cylinder convert the fluid pressure into mechanical force, pushing the steering rack in the direction you're turning, significantly reducing your effort. Electric power steering, or EPS, is a modern alternative that replaces hydraulic components with an electric motor. The EPS system uses an electric motor, sensors to detect steering input, and an electronic control unit, or ECU, to manage the assistance. Sensors send information on steering wheel position and speed to the ECU. The ECU quickly calculates the precise amount of assistance needed based on these inputs. The electric motor then applies torque directly to the steering column or rack, providing seamless and precise steering assist. EPS systems are more energy efficient since the motor only draws power when steering. They also offer greater flexibility for tuning steering feel. Let's quickly compare the two systems and look at what the future holds for steering technology. HPS offers good road feel but is less efficient and requires fluid maintenance. EPS is more efficient, highly tunable, and requires less maintenance, which is why it's dominating modern vehicles. With advancements in electric and autonomous vehicles, EPS is key, enabling features like lane keep assist and automated parking. The future of steering is digital and highly integrated,